May nakano isip-isipan Angeles City Mayor Carmelo Pogi Lecetin Jr. ang medina niyang Most Outstanding Kapampangan Award for Government Service nganing banwa. Agpangkalazatin, gagawa na mo kanuing kayang obra ang timong mayor na may dili-diling highly urbanized city kiti Pampanga.
Anya pong inominate na ako, may bigla ko. What is surprisingly, niyang manyambot ko, babakit ako. And then looking back, kung naning pemanggawa tamo during pandemic, naning inobra tamo na. And this is a privilege for me.
Masaya naman kanuy Mayor Pogi uling agawa na nga balawas ng Ligasiya na ning kayang ingko nga dati Pampanga Governor Rafael Azatin at dating Angeles Mayor at Congressman Carmelo Tarzan Azatin Sr.
I just learned na lolo ko, Yapong Feleng, was also a MOCA recipient. My father was also a MOCA recipient. And then, maragula bagay po ka na ako na ako at tanggap kayo. Meron niya po parang metong tamang pinaka-prestigious awards kati Kapampangan na miyabetan po kay MOCA.
Bonus naman kano para king Police Lieutenant Colonel Lenny Pangilinan ng kayang galal kasabi na ning Aldoni Kapampangan. Ipangilin ng Outstanding Kapampangan Awardee for Law Enforcement nganing banwa.
Karen pong kalupa kong magserbisyo para lalong panatilihin ang katamong katahimikan kaning probinsyang Kapampangan. Ini po bonus niya mo po. Ini po party niya po ning obra me. Nung ini po ni dinandanggalal kumbaga po bonus niya mo po kay kami.
Metong yakan ng inspirasyon ng Moka king Pangilinan, banglakwas talakaran masaleseng kayang katungkulan king Balen.
Mas lalo may pa pong gawan ng obra me para king Balen ning Pampanga.
Samantala, ang balao sa pamamiyay kabaluan ka rin kakatamang Balen, ang pangako ng Dr. Bernardo Simon, ang Most Outstanding Kapampangan Awardee for Education.
We are still worth member of this society that we can still share something. Yun ang aking advocacy ngayon to help our seniors just like I did with our school children before. So this time, we are giving more meaning to the remaining life of our lives.
Meron pati Most Outstanding Kapampangan Awards king Kingsborough International Convention Center, king Ciudad San Fernando kasabi na ning Aldoni Kapampangan ning Lunes, December 11. Yakoy yung talasuyo, JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.